The first step in JumpView's menu maker is to pick a recipe. Let's start with searching for a standing rib roast. Then pick a rib roast you'd like to make and JumpView it. The recipe will appear in your basket at the right of the screen. Then let's add in popovers for an additional complement. Then keep searching for additional dishes you would like to add to your meal and just put them in the basket. And we'll end with a creme brulee. Once you have your meal set, click on JumpView Your Recipe. You will now see all your dishes populated on a timeline. This timeline tells you when you need to start each dish in order to be done by the time you want. For example, if we want everything to be done by the time the rib roast is complete in 5 hours, we need to start our popovers at around 4 hours and 15 minutes. As well, we would need to start our cauliflower at around 4 hours. Each dish is broken up into individual video segments that explain each step of the recipe. For example, to begin the first step of the standing rib roast, simply click on the first white dot to start the video.
Well, there's no way my roast is going to get a fair trial in here. I could take the time to run it through maybe 3 or 4 self-cleaning cycles, but I can also find...
After you've finished watching this step, you may move to the next step.
Good beef, appropriately aged, needs very little help in the flavor department. Rub down...
And then to the next step,
Once upon a time...
and so on, following the timeline guides. When it comes time to prepare your other dishes, follow the same steps. After a clip is watched, the dot will turn orange to indicate that it has been viewed. If you prefer to see a full screen view, simply click on View Full Map. If at any time you want to retrieve your ingredients, simply click on the icon for whatever recipe you need. This menu maker can be easily displayed in the kitchen on a laptop, smartphone, or tablet device. The benefit to the customers is that our product places all the dishes for a meal in one easily accessible space, circumventing the need to look up various recipes at one time. By breaking up the recipes into steps, the user no longer has to watch one long video segment, eliminating the need for continual starting and stopping. Benefits to a network are the product does not remove the viewer from the site, such as taking them to YouTube. Thus, by keeping them on the site, they are engaging much longer. As well, they are providing a helpful, useful experience for the user. Thank you for your time in watching a presentation of JumpView's Menu Maker.